The financial world can feel like a minefield of big names and small, online-only options. When you hear about a bank you're not familiar with, like Brilliant Bank, it's smart to ask, is it legit? So, let's get into it. Brilliant Bank is a division of a well-established institution, Equity Bank. Equity Bank has been around for decades, has billions in assets, and operates physical branches in 4 states. The fact that Brilliant Bank is backed by a traditional, FDIC-insured bank is a huge green flag. It means your money is protected up to the legal limits, just like with any major bank. This is a crucial point for reputation and security. Brilliant Bank operates primarily as an online-only institution. This model allows them to offer competitive interest rates, often higher than those at brick-and-mortar banks, because they have lower overhead costs. However, this online-only approach is also a key consideration for potential customers. While you get convenience and great rates, you won't have the option to walk into a physical branch to get help with a problem or ask a question. This can be a deal breaker for some people. When looking at customer reviews, there's a mix of feedback, as you'd expect with any financial institution. Many customers praise the high-yield accounts, particularly the money market and CD rates, which are often among the best available. They're happy with the straightforward digital experience and the ability to earn more on their savings. On the other hand, some negative feedback focuses on the limitations of an online bank. For instance, some users have pointed out issues with external transfer limits or fees, and a lack of certain features like an ATM or debit card for some accounts. The Better Business Bureau's website doesn't have a profile for Brilliant Bank itself, but it does for its parent company, Equity Bank. Reviews there are mixed, with some complaints noted, which is common for banks of all sizes. Ultimately, whether Brilliant Bank is reputable for you depends on what you're looking for. If you're someone who is comfortable with digital banking, wants to maximize the return on your savings, and doesn't need to visit a physical branch, Brilliant Bank is a strong, reputable choice backed by FDIC insurance. However, if you prefer in-person service, require more traditional banking features like ATM access for all accounts, or want a wider array of account options, you might find their services limiting. It's about weighing your personal needs against what the bank offers.